Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. These winds are like 50 miles per hour. Oh my gosh. I just caught that on camera. Holy gosh. Oh my gosh. That was unexpected. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Here comes the wind. Oh my gosh. Wow, look at that chuff cloud. This was really unpredictable. That gust was like 50-mile-an-hour wind. Oh my gosh, I'll be right back. That was a crazy windstorm. Oh my gosh. This was really unpredictable. I hope a branch doesn't snap off. Oh my gosh. I'm going out to the sidewalk. Wow, look over there. This was really unpredictable, wasn't it? It just came out of nowhere, dude. It's literally cold and I'm shaking. Oh my gosh. Dude, that was crazy. Dude, I literally hear trees breaking. Like, I'm not even joking. I am not playing, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my, you've been always wishing. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh. My tree survived. But oh my gosh. Alright, well, I appreciate you for watching this video. Like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.